relative clauses in English are an important grammatical element used to provide additional information about a noun, making sentences more informative and nuanced. Understanding how to use them correctly can greatly enhance your writing and speaking abilities. Here's a more detailed look at relative clauses and their usage. Types of relative clauses. 1. Defining relative clauses. These are essential to the meaning of the sentence. They provide crucial information about the noun they modify. Example: the man who lives next door is a doctor. The clause "who lives next door" is necessary to know which man is being referred to. The phone that you see on the table is mine. Anyone who wants to join the trip must sign up by Friday. The book which she is reading is about ancient Rome. 2. Non-defining relative clauses. These add extra, non-essential information about the noun. This information is supplementary, and the sentence would still make sense without it. Non-defining clauses are usually separated by commas. Example: my sister, who is a lawyer, lives in Chicago. The fact that she's a lawyer is additional information and not essential to the meaning of the sentence. Relative pronouns. Who, whom, for people. Who is used as a subject and whom as an object, though whom is less commonly used in everyday speech. Subject example: the teacher who inspired me is retiring. Object example: the actor whom the director praised accepted the award. Which, for animals and things. Example: the book which I bought yesterday is fascinating. Whose indicates possession. Example: the student whose phone rang was embarrassed. That can be used for people and things in defining relative clauses. It's often used in place of who or which in informal speech. Example: the book that you lent me was great. Usage tips. Punctuation. Remember to use commas for non-defining relative clauses. Example: London, which is the capital of England, is known for its history. Avoiding repetition. Don't use personal pronouns, he, she, it, etc., with relative pronouns in the same clause. Incorrect. The woman who she met was friendly. Correct. The woman whom she met was friendly. Position. Place the relative clause immediately after the noun it modifies. Example: the movie that we watched last night was exciting. Omitting relative pronouns. In informal English, and especially in spoken language, relative pronouns are often omitted when they are the object of the clause. Example: the movie that we watched was exciting. Prepositions. In more formal English, prepositions are placed before whom, which. Example: the manager to whom you spoke is on lunch break. Reduced relative clauses. In some cases, particularly when the verb is a form of be, you can reduce the relative clause. Example: full clause. The people who are waiting outside are getting impatient. Example: reduced clause. The people waiting outside are getting impatient. By mastering relative clauses, you'll be able to add richness and detail to your English communication. They allow for more complex and varied sentence structures, essential for advanced language use.